Namaste. Welcome to our channel. We intend to send a message of peace through this video. Nowadays we are finding tension and unrest everywhere in this world. But do you know what? We are not going to stay in this world forever. We are just guests here. And there is a phrase in Sanskrit which is known as Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. That means this whole world is one big family. So if you are going to hurt one member of the family, the other members are also going to be affected by it. So those who realize this truth, that we are not going to stay in this world forever, we are mortal beings, they settle their quarrels forever and try to remain peaceful in this world. Hari Om.